Hey guys, it's Paul. I just wanted to talk you through how my training works, how it's completely free, and why it's free, and just a quick overview of the training in the forum just so you understand it, because there's been a couple of changes. So if you come to paulnicholson.com, you'll get, this is a Zoho website, Zoho One website, which is part of the training. But if you go to Zoho CRM, you'll jump straight into course overview. You can enroll in the course for free. You actually don't even need to, because all the courses are open. So if you wanted to go to accounts explained, you can just click on it and view the training, go through the training. But if you wanted to track where you're at, then you would need to sign up and you mark complete for each one. I mean, obviously, if you haven't got an account, it won't be able to track that you've completed it. But I just wanted to show you that you didn't even need to even sign up if you don't want to. Play the video, watch the video, and then the lesson discussion. If you've got questions on this video, you just click this link and that takes you to the forum. And then in the forum you can see the video, you can see the link to the training, and you can just reply like any other forum. What's this one about? Editing views. I don't know, how do I filter views? You can tag me in it by just doing @Paul, and it'll see, you'll be able to tag me or any other user. Obviously this is going to go out as me because I'm logged in as me up there, look. So I'm just going to bin that. You can, obviously like any forum, jump around, look at other members, interact with other members. You go up here, you can see links to training, you can see links to all the categories. So if you're on the Zoho One training, I'm going to have separate training for every single app on Zoho One, which obviously there's more than 40. I'm going to put in some other stuff, my Happy Me philosophy. Obviously you see the Happy Me H. If you've seen my videos, you see me wearing the t-shirts. That'll be a bigger, that's the side thing of what I think business should be, is Happy Me businesses. So the philosophy is an old new thing with Think and Grow Rich. And then there's other training as well, Teachable, Slack, things that if people need, I will add them. If you're telling me there's a certain thing that you need some training on, I'll certainly try and create videos for you. But you'll see two ways of getting into stuff. Zoho CRM Quick Starter. You go and find your lesson. I did it because the forum is easier to navigate around and search around rather than the Zoho Connect forum. I think this is a discourse forum. It's a lot easier to navigate around and find your way than the other one. So you can go in and start. You can, maybe you would put Zoho projects. You're looking for a Zoho project video. So you can see the category. You can click on the category, or you can click on the actual topic. But the category is going to be there with all these different trainings, link to the training, video. You can just add, if you've got a Zoho project question, just go up here and click new topic. How to create first project. Stick in here. If you press escape, it jumps that off. Hey, Paul, how do I create a project? Whatever it is, if you've decided it's a different category, you can throw it in a different category. Don't worry, if you're in the wrong category, I can change the category to where it suits best. Create topic. I'll get an email saying someone's tagged me in a post. I'll monitor to the forum to make sure it's cool. Make sure everybody's safe. I'm just going to delete that. You'll see on the training and on the forum is the Google AdSense adverts. This is what pays for the training. This is what pays for the courses to be free. So when you go to any of the training, if you go to a training, you'll see again a Google AdSense advert. It just pays for the training. Same as the advert that comes up on the YouTube video, it just pays to keep training free. So hopefully that explains it. Hopefully you understand that there's two places. There's going to be training on all sorts. If you go to all courses, there's going to be training on everything in there. There's actually cups and stuff for sale in the training. If you want to help fund a little bit more as well, you can buy a Buck Stops Here cup. The training program, the forum, everything's going to grow. It's going to be huge. It's going to be so much content, primarily for Zoho 1 and Zoho CRM. But if you are asking me questions about WordPress or websites or online payments, PayPal, anything, any questions you've got, just jump in the forum, ask the question. Even if I don't know, somebody else will be, will have that question or will have an answer to it. I will certainly go and try and find the answer for you. But the forum itself makes it easier for everybody else, doesn't it? The questions you have, other people are going to have the questions, and if they've searched for your question and we've already got a thread with the full answer, we're going to save them some time, aren't we? So hopefully that helps. Hopefully it makes sense. 100% free, doesn't cost anything but your time, which is more important than anything, and I'm hopefully going to save you some of that. All right, thanks guys, see you later.